Wang Zhen is a cardiologist at the First Hospital of Hebei Medical University in the North China city of Shijiazhuang. In 2009, Wang was invited to Kyrgyzstan to provide guidance on interventional therapy for congenital heart disease. Since then, he has led 16 missions to the Central Asian country, performing successful surgeries on over 530 children and sharing with local doctors on the latest interventional techniques.
这些孩子们都是我过去曾经做过成功治愈的这些先进病的这个孩子，他们照完照片以后呢，把这张照片后面呢就签上每一个救助孩子的这个名字，表达他们对中国医生的这种感激之情，心情非常的感动啊！这么多年的付出，我感觉这个中国医生和这个患者们，他们虽然语言不同，但他们这个心是紧紧的连在一起了。
In 2018, a China-Kyrgyzstan Congenital Heart Disease Research Center was established jointly by the two sides. The center focuses on prevention and treatment of congenital heart disease and talent development.
他们对这个中国医生，对中国专家的技术给予高度的认可，在整个中亚地区，吉尔吉斯斯坦先进的介入治疗的水平，应该说也达到比较高的这个水平。我们成立了一个中级先进病研究中心，我们也非常期盼的这项工作呀，不断的往前推进。